this actually might be the cheapest LS truck ever. Gavin, how much did you give for this truck?
$300.
300.
Complete.
Complete.
It ran and drove here.
Got it into the shop. We're about to tear this thing apart. All Gavin wants is the drivetrain because it's a 4-wheel drive LS truck. So it's going hopefully into his square body, if I'm not mistaken.
It's going to sit a minute.
Yeah. It's definitely got to sit. That's part of the nature of building things. But yeah, let's, we're about to probably cut this thing out.
Jump right in.
This thing is a 140,000 mile 5.3 4-wheel drive truck. So it's perfect for his square body. Obviously he's got plans for it, so I told him we got to cam it. He's cool with that. So
Big single.
big single turbo in the square body. I mean, this thing is like, it's rusted, you know, because of Ohio, but the interior's all there. Like you said, he drove it here, which is crazy. This might be the cheapest running and driving LS truck. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I just saw one posted with the trans.
Oh, with the trans?
With the trans.
$1,200?
Yeah, it was from Ryan, but I mean, he gives warranties, but still, that is crazy. Yeah. Even came with a free wheelbarrow, a suitcase. This is like those American Pickers stuff, or like Storage Wars. So we can get $500 out of the wheelbarrow. 500 each. 500 salt bag. At the end of the day, we made mad money. Going crazy on this thing. Got Gav under there. Hey. So,
Truck's going to fall on me.
he says he thinks he can unbolt an Ohio truck's exhaust.
I said, it's going to come off.
No.
They're like brand new.
Yeah, I'm sure.
And then you'd have a manifold leak.
Uh-huh. That's what they all say. Yeah. Getting after it. Just gonna keep tearing this front end apart. Get to the motor mount. We're going to rip it out the front.
Like men.
Like men.
Hey. What, Gav? Hand me a flag. No.
Hey. Had to go get Taco Bell. Had to go get Taco Bell. Why?
Because I just said fag riders instead of bag riders.
That's fine. Yeah, we
My tummy hurts.
10 more minutes and we'll have the engine out with the trans.
who does this boy
transfer
think?
keys.
How many of these have you pulled?
6, actually.
10 minutes, guys. Fucking newsflash.
Pretty much got it. We are literally just using our tools at this point because we're stuck. But we'll get her. And Gab has a $300 5.3. Was it worth it?
No.
That pretty much sums up our night. So
It's been pretty easy.
No, it's been chill. You can hit it. You good.
Cut the top of that fucking strut nut off.
Yeah.
Get in there better with a bolt or something to cut it. Yeah.
That's it. Let's go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.